Hello everyone and welcome to another Cooking with Ryan episode. Today we are going to be making something for someone that always goes to McDonald's. And we're going to try and make them something that they can make at their house with some simple ingredients and hopefully will taste just like the real thing. Let's get on into it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut our English muffins. These will end up going in a toaster in a couple minutes. We're going to get a pan here to cook our egg on top of the stove. And we also have an egg ring so that way our egg is the perfect shape for the sandwich. Alright, now our next step is to crack the egg into the egg holder, so that way we can start cooking it. We also need to turn on the stove. We're going to turn it to a low heat. Now we're going to go ahead and kind of whisk up the egg. You have to be very careful with this step, because if you move the egg ring at all, at least for mine, it will have the egg come out of the egg ring, and it will not be the perfect shape. It will kind of be all mismatched. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is take our English muffins, put them in the toaster, turn it on, and pull it down. And we'll let these cook until they're nice golden brown. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get our second pan. We're going to go ahead and turn the stove on for this burner as well. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our sausage and place that right into the pan. As you can see, I did move the egg ring by accident, and a little bit of the egg came out the side. You don't want that. But if it does happen, it's okay, it won't end the world. We're gonna go ahead and use the Kraft singles. It's kind of like the processed cheese McDonald's uses, and sadly they only give you one at McDonald's. So here, when I'm making it, we're gonna do two, because cheese is good. Our egg is cooking up very nicely. Here, it is in a very low heat, just warming everything up to a nice even temperature. Our sausage also is doing very good. As you can see, the dark brown spots are where it's seared on the pan, and that gives it a nice crispy texture with a good taste. I hope you didn't forget about the English muffins, because things are easy to burn in a toaster, and if you burn this, well, your sandwich may not taste very good. Our egg is now to a point where we can remove the egg ring, and the egg will just sit in the pan all by itself. Maybe if you're doing this for yourself at home, try using some cooking spray like a Pam or cooking oil. That way your egg doesn't stick to the pan. Whoops. Now we're going to go ahead and add our cheese on top of the egg so that way it melts. We'll put a cover on it just that way the steam will help cook the egg on top. Okay, so we just took our English muffins out of the toaster. I told you, watch out for the edges because they might get a little burned. The sausage is doing great over here. He's also becoming a little bit too loud for filming, so we're going to go ahead and take him off the burner. As you can see with the cover, it helps to melt the cheese on top of the egg, and does a really good job. We're going to go ahead now and place all of the sandwich ingredients onto the sandwich. And there you have it, our very own fake McDonald's Egg McMuffin. Using just a sausage patty, some Kraft singles, an egg, and an English muffin. Let me tell you, this egg sandwich is definitely a fan favorite in our family. If you want to try to make it a fan favorite in your family, give it a try. Make it at home. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.